はい、皆さんこんにちは。奥入リアルエステートの滝沢です。
はい、奥入リアルエステートの堀江です。はい、今回は保険のねお話なんですけども、住宅ローンを借りるときには団体信用生命保険というのに加入する必要があります。そちらのねお話です。そちらはねやっぱり万が一、契約した方が亡くなってしまったような場合にちょっとご家族の方がね不便な思いをされないように入るための保険です。こちらに入っておくと、もし仮にね、亡くなってしまったような場合、こちらの保険から完済されます。はい、ただしね、ちょっと注意事項がありまして、こちらのね、こちら全員が入れるというわけではなく、やはりね、もともと健康状態に不安があった方なんかは入れない可能性があります。そして、こちらの、保険の金利の方はね、住宅ローンの金利の方に含まれておりますので、この点はお得かなと思います。はい、お願いします。
Okay, so regarding taking out an insurance after you made a housing loan or you get a housing loan, when taking out the home loan, most banks require you to join life insurance. So probably you're gonna be worried, what if someone passed away or got sick and you won't be able to pay for your home loan, so this insurance will cover up for it. And this is to ensure that if the person with the home loan passes away, the remaining loan will be fully paid off by the insurance company or by the life insurance. The insurance is included in the home loan interest rate of your house. However, individuals with pre-existing health conditions may not be able to join, like for example, if they have like a heart condition or something, heart condition, or well, it still depends, but they need to assess you if you could be eligible or not for the life insurance. So, explain ko lang po sa Tagalog. Pag magkukuha po tayo ng home loan ngayon, yung mga bangko po, nire-require po nila na kumuha po tayo ng life insurance. Ito po is para i-insure po yung family or yung mga may iwang pamilya. For example lang po, magkasakit or mamatay or mawala po yung, mawala po yung taong under nung home loan na yon. So, ang magbabayad po ng house is yung life insurance company kung sakali man po na magkasakit po yung mismong owner. So, but meron po tayong disclaimer kasi pag meron po silang sakit na pre-existing na health condition like for example lang heart condition to ka, meron pa rin pong possibility na hindi po ma-approve for life insurance. So yes, that's all for today's
まさかのための備えっていうのもねすごい大事ですのでね、ぜひね参考にしてみてください。本日はありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。